This is a video review and unboxing of this outdoor edge flip and zip saw off of Amazon. Here's all the specs. Can get it opened up, take a much closer look. Okay, here it is out of the box. You see you've got a very basic, straightforward sheath. Nothing too special about that. Velcro just does the job. So here's the actual saw itself. It's marketed that it's for branches and also for deer hunt when you got a saw through bone. Here it is from a top angle. It does feel very nice and thin in the hands. It's not very bulky at all. Feels like it's got some kind of aluminum handle there. Here's a close-up of the teeth. And then fold it back up. Of course, like any other knife, you just fold it. This is what it looks like in the sheath. I really like how nice and low profile it is. It's certainly not going to be in the way if it's on your belt along with your knives or other things that you may take out in the field. There it is open again. I just noticed when you go to open it, you don't have to press this down again like a knife. It's just ready to go. There's a little flex in the saw blade there, but it is kind of long and it's not very thick. So, but I don't foresee that being a problem. Overall, a great, nice little handsaw. Looking forward to using this a lot in the field. Hope this video review has helped. Thanks for watching.